What is value investing? Well, it all depends on how you evaluate the item. This is Sharon. She is a normal person working 9 to 5. If you ask Sharon to go and buy a jacket that costs $100, she would say, "Are you crazy? That's expensive." But if you ask her to buy the latest model of iPhone, which costs $1,000, she might be saying, "Just come and take my money." Sharon feels that the jacket is not worth $100, while the latest iPhone has the value and is worth $1,000. She just thinks that the jacket is expensive and the latest iPhone is cheap. Well, you can say Sharon just value things different with other person. Don't get misunderstood, guys. It didn't mean right or wrong because it's a business after all. Let us see another example. If this same situation happened on a guy named John. John is also a normal person with a job of 9 to 5. But John will prefer to buy the jacket rather than to spend on the latest iPhone. John is a jacket collector, and that jacket has the signature of the famous NBA player on it. John thinks that $100 for this jacket is totally a great deal. John could resell this jacket for a much higher price to the fans of NBA. John might also feel that a phone need not be that fancy and it's okay to buy a cheaper phone. So, different people value things differently as people has their own opinion. Still, there's no right or wrong in John's decision. However, there's one thing for sure. This happens also in the stock market. Some investors may feel that this stock or company is overvalued or has no value at all. Some might feel expensive, while some might feel cheap over a certain stock. They argue a lot in the investing forum. It's just the person's feeling. You can't judge a person wrong based on the feeling, am I right? Correct me if I'm wrong. Let's come back to the topic. What is value investing? What is investing? Invest means you allocate something to expect some benefit in the future. Be it the money, time, or even the energy you commit in order to get a future benefit. Then, what is value investing? It's the essence of investing. It's the principle of investing. When you allocate something that you think is valuable to you to expect a great return in the future, the investment you make will just bring you more value in the future. That's called value investing. Value investing is not only limited to stock investing, but it can be applied to anywhere you want. A football manager would pay more to hire Lionel Messi compared to other football players because they value Messi more than others. They expect Messi will help them to win the match, so they would like to invest on him. An NBA team manager will pay more to hire LeBron James compared to other NBA players because they value LeBron more than others. They also expect LeBron will help them to win the match, so they want to invest on him. I personally think that this is also a type of investing. Some people would invest in real estate rather than stock market, as they value the property more than the stock market. They expect to earn more by investing in property. Some people would invest in themselves by reading tons of books and polishing all the skills, so that one day the knowledge and technique will become handy and valuable to a community. Okay, these are called value investing, am I right? Why people invest in gold? What is the value of a gold? Gold is a chemical element that occurs naturally, and people extracting the gold through the mining process. Gold is hard to find and available in a very low concentration, which means that you have to process a large amount of rock to get it. The resulting high production cost is the ultimate reason for gold's high value. Gold is the most malleable and ductile of all the metals, and gold is an excellent conductor of electricity. The most important industrial use of gold is the manufacture of electronics. Solid-state electronic devices use very low voltage and currents which are easily interrupted by corrosion at the contact points. Because gold remains free of corrosion, electronic components made with gold are highly reliable. This characteristic adds on more value into gold. If the people understand the value of an item, that's called value investing. Otherwise, it's just speculating. So how do we do value investing? In stock market, people tend to use all the financial ratio to do the valuation. Yeah, it's good to use the ratio to make valuation because it tends to give us a more rational reason to invest in. The ratio and formula of calculation is the basic in stock investing. However, Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger keep emphasizing that the fundamental and core of the business is the most crucial. It is the business model that will give us value. Warren Buffett questioned himself with the following question. In which field does the business operate in? How is the efficiency of the business operation? What is the value of product for the community? How will it benefit us? All these aspects will determine the value of a business. Let's take a look at Tesla stock. Indeed, the revenue of Tesla keeps on increasing year by year and it shows a good sign. But the net income is all negative, which means that Tesla is not making any profit yet. Now let us see the financial ratio. Since Tesla is suffer losses, the earnings per share and the price to earning ratio is both negative. Price to book ratio of Tesla is also quite high compared to the average of S&P 500. Return on equity is also negative since no profit is retained. If we evaluate it with the financial ratio, it's no good as all the ratio is just showing Tesla is overvalued. It's horrible. Here is the chart showing the movement of Tesla stock. Tesla even went to $900 per share at the peak. But why the heck the market is still willing to buy it at such a high price? The company is not making any profit, guys. Why the market is still buying the stock? Why the market is overreacting? Perhaps the market has gone crazy? It's the business. It's the value of the business. Tesla is combined the world's largest and most profitable industry and connect them to technology and software. Tesla is doing the autonomous car, which is safer and more environmental friendly compared to the gas car. The founder of Tesla, Elon Musk, his vision in the business is to assist in the transition to sustainable energy and making people's life better. Tesla is transforming energy transportation industry into technology transportation industry, and this could help to increase the margin of this industry far more superior to what existing today. This allows Tesla to turn this industry into high-margin type software business. He invests his effort and time into this business to create more value to the community. So, perhaps the investors out there are doing value investing. Leave a comment down below to let us know whether Tesla is worth of value investing. If you understand the business you are investing in, it's called value investing. The greatest investor, Warren Buffett, had been doing value investing in his whole life and become so successful. However, some people say value investing is outdated, Warren. Why would it have been outdated? Value investing is the principle of investing, it's the essence of investing. Be it investing in property, stock market, or even yourself, you will not get wrong by doing value investing. I bet you buy stock is because you want to invest in a company that has value, right? Oh no, it wasn't? Then what you do is called gamble, speculate, and definitely not value investing. Of course, different people interpret the value in their own way. What is the most valuable things to you? Figure it out yourself, and you will be able to do value investing in that way. How do I do value investing? I say, Invest in yourself. You yourself are the biggest asset and the most valuable item. When the time is past, you will slowly but surely getting the return on your investment. That's the value investing for me. Thank you for watching, guys. Follow our channel Road to Invest to continue the investing journey with us. Please like our video and share it to your friends if you find this helpful. And remember to subscribe and click on the bell button so you won't miss any investing knowledge and skills.